Chapter 2. With a new hydro booster on order and permission to leave the RV in its current status, we retreated 30 minutes drive towards the safety of National Forest. Finding camping, we enjoyed a healthy night's rest. The morning light showed us the moss-covered canopy as we made our way back to repair day 2. The next few hours were filled with optimism as parts swapped and repairs completed. Bill was kindly given a tour of a Cybertruck's capabilities by a proud owner. After a quick test of the wheels and brakes, we were on our way.
All right.
Moments later, disaster struck. 600-degree brakes caused the emergency ditch of the unit at Cascade RV and Truck Repair as we headed back to the forest for rest and reconfiguration. Unfortunately, the shop was not able to assist us, so we relocated back down the street to the friendly North Bend Napa. As Joe had the grand opening cup of coffee next door, Bill's friends came to our aid with amazing food and shelter. We said goodbye to our supportive friends, the Myers. A random visit from Cena provided a headlamp for Evan as final adjustments were made for Eastern travel.
Perfect. But you got all the things fixed.
Thanks, baby.
Oh my God.
After negotiating an icy camp spot, the crew was wheels up and headed home towards Montana.
He's on!
Better quality than the RVs have nowadays.
Absolutely.
Because it had to have the automotive industrial quality.
Keep going.
The road had finally brought the crew back to their home state. Bill with a new thermostat for his camper. Evan was the owner of a GMC Eleganza 2, and Joe with the reward of moss-covered adventure. Thank you for watching, and always remember to enjoy your freedom.